Good morning, everyone. In this video, we are going to study about the next in Python, that is conditional statement. Under this, Python offers if statement to check the conditions. This will help you to compare two things and to get the true result or a false result. So class, let's proceed. Python if statement, it is a decision making operation in which if you run a code, it will check for whether it is true or false. If it is true, then we can have a true statement for it, and if it is false, then we can display the false statement for it, like this. It is like if, then you have to give the condition here, then the true statement, then else, then the false statement. This is the syntax. Syntax means way of writing. Now the question arises, we can give this if statement and the true statement only or not. Yes, we can give this alone also. No need to have a else statement. Suppose we have no work with the else statement, then you give this expression to check. So if is there and if else is there. There are two. Now class, let's proceed. First program to explain this concept, I have write a program to find the greater of two number. Greater of two number, first of all we need to have two numbers, first number, second number. For that I have used the input method. Now we have to write if, this is a keyword again, condition whether a is greater than b or not. So here, if this condition is true, then this statement will execute, and if this condition is false, then else, we will move to else, and else will execute. See one output. I have entered two number 12 and 7, so it will check which one is greater. So for condition is true for it, a is greater than b, first number is greater than the second number, so a is greater. Again you see this. First of all, we have allowed the user to enter two number, then the condition is given. I have given the input first number as 12 and I have given the second number as 7. So this condition is true for it and this will get executed. Now find write a program to find whether a person is able to vote or not. What is the criteria? Age should be greater than 18. That is the criteria for voting. So see the program. Age we have entered. Now we are checking this age. Suppose you enter 20. 20 is greater than 18, so able to vote. Suppose you enter 18, then 18 is equals to this 18, so able to vote. If you enter 12, if you enter here 12, then what will be the answer? 12 is greater than equals to, this is a false statement, so it will go to else and not able to vote will get display. We are just checking it. So I have entered 23, then the answer is coming able to vote. Next, write a program to check whether a student is pass or fail. I have given the criteria. In question everything will be given to you. In previous question, that age will also be given. That criteria is age should be greater than 18 or equal to 18. So here it is the percentage, here it is the percentage should be greater than 40, then only student will pass. So what we have to enter, we have to think about, we have to enter the percentage. You can see that I have entered the percentage. Suppose percentage you enter is 45, then it will be checked, is this 45 is greater than 40? Yes it is, so it is pass. If you enter 23, is 23 greater than 40? No, it is not, so it will appear as fail, false condition. So see the output. I have entered 34, so 34 failing according to the criteria. Next, write a program to check whether a number is even or odd. What do you know about even and odd? You know that if a number divided by 2 results no remainder, means suppose 12 divided by 2, it will get exactly divided by 2, so it is a even number. If I write 11, if I divide 11 by 2, then 10 and 1 is the remainder, so it is giving a remainder as 1. So what we use for it, it is very special symbol, that is to get a remainder. You all know about it. If number is divided by 2 and gives remainder as 0, then even, otherwise odd. So suppose you enter 12, so 12 mod 2, what will be the remainder? 0 will be the remainder. If I write 15 mod 2, what will be the remainder? 1 will be the remainder. So class, the thing is, we have to check whether it is equals to 0 or not. If it is remainder is 0, then, and for comparing we use this double equals to. So it is equals to 0, so then it is a even number, else it is a odd number. So number that I have entered is 56. On dividing 56 by 2, there will not be any remainder. You all know 56 divided by 2, it will be 4, then 16, then 8, 16, no remainder. So that is 0 remainder. So answer is even. Now next, same question. We have to check whether a number is divisible by 7 or not. So instead of even number, we have to get it for this 7. So number we have entered, suppose I enter 23. If I do 23 mod 7, remainder will be equals to 2. So 23 is not divisible by 7. This condition is failed and this will be the answer. If I enter 21, then 21 mod 2, 21 mod 7 will result 0. In that case 21 is, it is divisible by 7. So see the output. I have entered 21, it is divisible by 7. If you enter 23, it will answer not divisible by 7. So it all depend on the condition. See this once again, the last one. First of all, we have to see what we have to enter. When we read a program, when we read the question of the program, first of all we have to think about what is the input required. So input required is a number, because we have to check for a number. Now that number mod 7, this is the condition for checking divisibility, as we have done in even also. Same here, even divisible by 2 or not, but for other numbers we have to check for with the same, like I want to check by 7. So it is coming 0. If it is coming 0, then it is true, then this statement. If it is not coming 0, that's false, then this statement. That's all class. So go through these programs practically, and do more and more practice of these programs. That's all, class.